Good morning. My name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills. And the topic for today's discussion is a married man should not experiment much with his life. Ladies and gentlemen, let me give you a situation that you are a married person, but you are not having a good salary. You are a married person and you are not having a good salary, but you have liabilities of your family, your wife, your children. In that case, I must say that there is no need to experiment much with your life, but you should try to focus on that what you can do perfectly and then start your professional journey in that particular field only. Ladies and gentlemen, there is an old saying in English that try to find out what you can do best and then spend your entire life doing it. I would like to repeat this statement. Try to find out what you can do best and then spend your entire life doing it. It means try to analyze your own inner self. What exactly you can do? What do you think you are perfect in? Try to analyze that particular field and look for your future in that particular field only, because what type of person you are, what are your inner strengths, what are your inner weaknesses, you are the only person who knows all these things. No other person can analyze you better in any way. You can do your self-analysis on your own. You can judge yourself in a better way because there are so many aspects of human life which are known to a particular person only. There are so many aspects of your personal life, of my personal life, that are known to me only, and even my parents don't know about it. There are so many things about our personal life which we never share with anyone. We never share it with anyone. That's why every individual knows that what is his weakness, what is his strength. If you are an unmarried person, you can look for a large number of fluctuations in your job. You can look for a large number of experiments with your professional personality. Because right now you don't have liabilities. You have to take care of yourself only. And for rest every other thing, your parents are always there to help you out. But once you become a married man, all the liabilities come on you. All the liabilities come on your shoulders. So once you become a married man, along with looking after your own personal future growth, you have to look for proper care of your family members also. And if you are professionally unstable, you will never be able to care properly for your own family. It will lead to disturbance in your personal life also. That's why once you become a married person, think creatively. Think logically. Try to analyze your own specific strengths. There is no meaning in knowing that what rest of the people are doing. They may be successful in their own specific fields, but try to analyze that whether that particular field is appropriate for you or not. Whether that specific field in which your family members, your friends and relatives, they are gaining success, whether that field is appropriate for you or not. And the most crucial thing that we need to understand here is whether you are able to understand that task or not. What your friends and relatives are doing. If you are able to understand that task properly, no problem, move ahead with it. But if you are absolutely unaware of that particular task, and even after trying for a large number of times, you are not becoming successful in that, try to introspect. Try to analyze your own specific personality. Try to find out what you are good at. Try to find out what are your own inner capabilities. Try to analyze that what you are good at and then spend your entire life doing it. Try to find out what you are good at and then spend your entire life doing it. You got your career. Try to find out what you are good at. Try to find out what you are able to do perfectly and professionally, and that is your career, that is your future, ladies and gentlemen. Try to make your future in that particular field only, and try to explore that field more and more so that you become more knowledgeable about that. Firstly, you analyze that, okay, I am good in this particular thing. I will make it my profession. Fine. You made it your profession. After making it your profession, try to explore more and more. Try to know about more further aspect of that particular thing. It will ultimately enhance your knowledge and make you perfect in one particular domain. And people will start knowing you because of that ability of yours. And that is known as real professional success. When you are doing your best inside your organization, and along with that, people start recognizing you because of your abilities. That is known as real professional success, and that is the stage that we should try to achieve. Always try to find out your own inner strengths. Never get deviated by looking at other people. Ladies and gentlemen, there are so many people perfect in different domains. What you have to do with that? I would like to repeat this statement. There are so many people perfect in different areas, in different sectors, in different professional domains. But the question is, what you have to do with that? What you have to do with that? Okay, they are perfect. That is very good. We respect them for that. But what you have to do with that? It is their own specific professional field which they have chosen for themselves, analyzing their own core capabilities. Same thing you need to do in your own personal life. You need to analyze your own core capabilities and then move in that direction only, ladies and gentlemen. When you are grown up, and especially when you are a married man, it is not the time to experiment with life. It is time to find out your real calling. It is not the time to experiment with life. I will do this also, I will do that also. If I fail in this, I will pick that. If I fail in that, I will pick this. And what if you fail in both these things? You will pick some other thing. And then you will again try over it. And if you fail in that also, you will leave all these three things. You will search some fourth thing. That is not the criteria of looking for a job and looking for career growth after becoming a married person. I would like to repeat this again, ladies and gentlemen. Married person has got so many liabilities. If you are not professionally perfect, if you are not professionally stable, you will never be able to accomplish the other liabilities of your personal life properly. That's why try to analyze this fact that you have a responsibility on your shoulders. That's why try to be very specific. Try to be very precise about what you are capable of doing. What do you think that I can do perfectly? I am perfect in this. If I do this task every time, I will do it perfectly. If you are having this much confidence related to that particular task, it means that particular task is your true calling. You can make that task your profession forever. That is the criteria of searching a perfect, appropriate profession after becoming a married person. Do not experiment with your life. It will be very dangerous for your entire family. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.